Many class 10 students find GST very confusing. That is goods and service tax. To them, I ask a very simple question. Do you know percentages? If yes, then calculate 0% of 100, 5% of 100, 12% of 100, 18% of 100, 28% of 100. If no, then I'm showing you how to do this. Just do this fraction. 0 by 100 into 100, which is that equal to 0. 5 by 100 into 100, which is that equal to 5. 12 by 100 into 100, that is equal to 12. 18 by 100 into 100 is equal to 18. 28 by 100 into 100 is equal to 28. In case it was x% of y, of rupees y, x by 100 into y. The above is the formula. I think you've got the hang of it. In case goods or services tax are sent abroad, such as India to America, or interstate such as Kerala to Kashmir, 0% of its price is charged as GST for essential items like medicines by central government. 5% of its price is charged as GST for common use items like pencils by central government. 12% of its price is charged as GST for standard rate by central government. And these are also you calculated by percent. To 18% of its price is charged as GST for maximum goods and all services by central government. 12% of its price is charged as GST for luxury and sin like tobacco items by central government. Now we go on to the fact that this can be easily calculated by 18% of the sum that is given, that is the product's cost price. Now, if the sales is intrastate, such as Mumbai and Pune, we know both are in Maharashtra. 0% of its price goes to state government and 0% of its price goes to central government if it's a essential one like medicine. Half of that is 2.5 price goes to say state government, 2.5 goes to central government if it is a common use item. 6% of its price goes to state government and 6% of its price goes to central government as GST for standard rate. 9% of its price goes to state government and 9% of its price goes to central government as GST for maximum standard rate. And in case it's a sin item or a luxury item, then it is 14% of its price goes to the state government and 14% of its price goes to the central government as GST for luxury and sin items. Now, this we have seen that this is just the half. Summary is half in case that the sales is intrastate, half the GST goes to the central government and half to the state government. Terms used, the dealer is the one who sells, the consumer is the one who buys. CGST means the GST taken by the central government. That means GST, central government's goods and services price. SGST, state government's price. This helps in easing business, reducing tax evasion, and making the business system transparent, regular, and predictable. Thank you for watching, and we hope I'll see you in the next video with some problems.